Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I am continuing pie chart data interpretation. First of all, we need to read the information carefully. After that, we need to solve the questions according to the given information. Here, the information is about percentage-wise distribution of players who play five different sports. Who play five different sports. That is the given information. Those who are playing five different sports and their percentage-wise distribution is given. Number of players. Here, two pie charts are given. First pie chart is about percentage of players who play different sports. Percentage of players. Percentage of players, it means all together. Whereas coming to the second pie chart, this is all together. Coming to the second pie chart, percentage of female players. Second pie chart is showing about percentage of female players who are playing five different sports. That is the second pie chart information. And total number of players are 4,200, whereas total number of female players are 2,000. Total number of players are 4,200 and total number of female players are 2,000. Now it is very easy to divide males and females. Total 4,200. In that, females are given as 2,000. If females are 2,000, automatically remaining 2,200 are male category. Remaining 2,200 persons are male category. Now, if you want to calculate male persons individually, it is very easy to calculate. Why? Because you know the total value and you know the female value. So you will get the male values by subtracting female values from the total. Males is equal to number of males is equal to total players minus number of female players. That will gives you the male players. Now the question here five different sports are first of all lawn tennis, hockey, cricket, football, rugby. Whereas coming to this case, those are the same sports by the female players. These are the five sports played by female players. Okay. Now the first question is what is the average number of players? Average number of players, both male and female together. Whenever he is asking about both male and female together, no need of going for second one. No need of going for second one. It means he is asking us to calculate all together. All together means total players who play football and rugby together. In this pie chart, in this first pie chart, football and rugby together average. As we know that average is equal to what? Sum of observations by number of observations. That is the standard formula to calculate the average. Now, I am calculating the average of football and rugby. Here, football is how much percentage? 17 percentage plus rugby is 13 percentage divided by number of sports, football and rugby. It means two sports. Denominator value is 2, which is equal to 17 plus 13, which is equal to 30. 30 percentage by 2, that is equal to 15 percentage. Now, we need to calculate what is 15 percentage of the total number of players. That is very easy to calculate. 15 percentage of total number of players are 4,200. Now it is very easy. Two zeros cancel. 42 into 15. If you don't know how to calculate, it is very easy. I will tell you the technique. 42 tens are 42 tens are 420. And still you left over with 5 times. 42 5s are. Here 42 5s is exactly half of the 10 times. So in 420 half value is 210. Now you can add these two, which is equal to 630. Average number of players who are playing football and rugby together, both male and female, that is 630. Option D is the right answer for this question. Option D. See the second question. Same information. Observe the question carefully. What is the difference between? Here we need to calculate the difference between number of female players who are playing lawn tennis and the number of male players who are playing rugby. So definitely whenever he is talking about male persons, male players, definitely you need to use both the pie charts. Why? Because you are getting male players, number of male players of any category, any sports they are playing, definitely you will get it by subtracting female players from the total players. You will get that particular value. So first value which we need to calculate is number of female players who are playing lawn tennis. That is direct question. Here the direct value. Lawn tennis. Lawn tennis is 22 percentage. 22 percentage of 2000. What is this value? Two zeros cancel, which is equal to 22 into 2, 44. One more zero is there. You can add that zero. 440. First value 440. First value is done. Coming to the second value. Second value is talking about number of male players who are playing rugby. So definitely you need to calculate rugby total and rugby female category. Rugby female category. So that you will get a male category. First calculate rugby total. Rugby total 13 percentage. What is 13 percentage of 4,200. Total number of players are 4,200 in this pie chart. Therefore, two zeros cancel. 42 into 3. Here you can do one thing. 42 tens are, that is 420. After that, you can take additionally 3 times. 42 threes are 126. Now you can add these two. Here it is 6, 4, 5. 546. Total number of players who are playing rugby 546. Coming to female persons, female players who are playing rugby, that is 10 percentage. 10 percentage of the total number of female players 2000. Two zeros cancel. Therefore, this particular value 20 into 10 which is equal to 200. Now out of these 546 players, out of these 546 players, females are 200. Female players are 200. So obviously, remaining 346 players are playing rugby from male category. From which category? Male category. So the question what he is asking is, what is the difference between? We need to calculate the difference. We need to calculate the difference between female players who are playing lawn tennis. That is 440. 440 minus number of male players who are playing rugby. Number of male players who are playing rugby, that is 346. So 440 minus 346, it is very clear that 94 is the difference. 94. That is the required difference between number of female players who are playing lawn tennis and number of male players who are playing rugby. Option A is the right answer for this question. Option A. See the next question. What is the respective ratio of number of female players who are playing cricket and number of male players who are playing hockey? Here, whenever he is talking about males, definitely we need to calculate the answer. First, direct value is female players. Female players who are playing cricket. That is 40 percentage. 40 percentage of the total female players 2000. Here two zeros cancel. 40 into 20. That is 8000. 40 into 20, 8,000. 8,000 is the number of female persons. Number of female persons who are playing cricket. That is first question. First value. And coming to the second value. Second value is number of male players who are playing hockey. How can you get number of male players who are playing hockey? First, calculate total. Once you got the total, you just subtract the value of female players who are playing hockey so that you will get male values. First, I will calculate the total. Here, hockey is how much percentage? 10 percentage. Directly, you can take it as in 4,200, 10 percentage value. What is 10 percentage value? 420. Total hockey players are 420. Whereas coming to number of females who are playing hockey, that is 15 percentage. 15 percentage of total number of female players, 2000. Two zeros, two zeros cancel, which is equal to 15 into 20, 300. 300 is the number of female players who are playing hockey. Total number of players who are playing hockey 420. Out of that, female players are 300. Obviously, remaining 120 players are male category. Now, number of male persons, number of male players who are playing hockey, that is 120. Whereas coming to number of female players who are playing cricket, that is 800. We need to calculate the ratio between number of female players who are playing cricket and number of male players who are playing hockey, that is 120. Here 0 0 gets cancelled. You can cancel with 4 table. 4 3s are 4 20s. 20 is to 3. 20 is to 3 is the right answer. 20 is to 3. Option C is the right answer for this question. Next one. What is the total number of male players? What is the total number of male players who play football? Total number of male players who play football, cricket and lawn tennis together. So definitely we need to calculate each and every category. Lawn tennis and cricket, football. These three values for each and every category. Okay. First, we'll calculate total. After that, we'll calculate this female category. Now, first of all, lawn tennis. Lawn tennis total 25 percentage of 4,200. 25 percentage of 4,200. Here it is 1/4 value. Now you can cancel with 4 table. 4 ones are 0, 5, 0. 1050. 1050. Lawn tennis total 1050. Cricket total 35 percentage. 35 percentage. It means that 35 by 100 into 4200. Two zeros cancel. 35 into 42. Here you can do the calculation part separately. 35 into 42. 5 2s are 10. And next 6 plus 20, 26, 26 plus 1, 27, 2 is the carry forward. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 1470. This value 1470. And next coming to football. Football is 17 percentage. 17 percentage of 4200. Two zeros cancel. 42 into 7. 42 into 17. That is 7 2s are 14. 1 is a carry forward. This is 28 plus 2, 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 3 is the carry forward. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 714. Here, football category 714. And next, cricket category 1470. Lawn tennis, that is 1050. Now, three values of total number of players who are playing lawn tennis, cricket and football. These three values are calculated. Similarly, you can calculate the same values for this also. Here, This entire 2000 is equal to 100 percentage. So directly you can cancel two zeros. 1 percentage is equal to 20. 1 percentage is equal to 20. Then 22 percentage. 22 into 20. That is 440. 440. That is the first value. And 40 percentage. 40 into 20. Which is equal to 800. Whereas coming to football. 13 percentage. 13 into 20. 260. Now you want a total number of male players who are playing all these three together. So it is very easy to calculate. Don't take a difference between each and every sport. Why? Because you want all together. If you want all together, calculate all together of these three sports. First, lawn tennis 1050. Next, cricket 1470. And next one, football. Football is 714. Football is 714. Add these three values. Here it is 4. And next 12 plus 1, 13. And next 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 1 is a carry. Again 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. 3234. That is total number of players who are playing these three sports, lawn tennis, cricket and football, from total number of players. Coming to female players. Female players 440, 800, 260. Calculate the total. 0 and next 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 1500. 1500 member people are playing all these three sports from female category. These are female category and these are total. Now you want male players who are playing all these for three sports, football, cricket and lawn tennis, which is equal to 3234 total value minus female value, that is 1500, which is equal to, here it is 1734. 1734 number of male players who are playing all these three sports together. 1734, that is option B. Option B is the right answer for this question. Option B. Last question in this session. Number of male players who play rugby. Number of male players who play rugby. Male players who play rugby. First calculate this value. Here also 1%. This total is equal to 100 percentage. Then 1 percentage value. 1 percentage is equal to 42. Now rugby is having for 13 percentage. Therefore 13 into 42. Here it is 6 and next here it is 2 plus 12, 14. 1 is carry and next 4 plus 1, 5, 546. Total rugby candidates are 546. And next after that, that particular value is approximately what percentage of total number of players who play lawn tennis. Total number of players who play lawn tennis. Here total number of rugby candidates are 546 and but you want the male players who are playing rugby. So female players are 10 percentage. Here 1 percentage value is 20. So 10 percentage is equal to 10 into 20, which is equal to 200. So male players who are playing rugby. Male players who are playing rugby, which is equal to total 546 minus female players who are playing rugby 200. Therefore remaining candidates 346. This 346 members are playing rugby from male category. And next, total number of players who are playing lawn tennis. Lawn tennis is 25 percentage. I think total number of players we are talking about. Just now we calculated lawn tennis 25 percentage, which is nothing but 1/4 value, that is 1050. We can use the same value at this position. Just now we calculated 1050. 1050 is the total value. So the question what he is asking is number of male players who are playing rugby. This particular value, what percentage of total number of players who are playing lawn tennis? One. So the required percentage. We don't want to calculate the exact value. We need to calculate only the approximate value. Required percentage is 346 divided by total lawn tennis 1050 into 100. 0 gets cancelled. And next, here it is 21 times 5 21s 5 2s. And next, if you take the denominator as 20, then it will be 1 by 10. So 346 divided by 10, which is equal to 34.6. This is just an approximate value. If we take the denominator as 20 instead of 21, we are reducing the denominator value. If you are reducing the denominator value, we'll get the answer which is greater than the original answer. So, original answer is definitely less than 34.6 and somewhat close to 34.6. Now you can look at the options and confirm your answer according to that. Here it is very clear that less than 34.6 and somewhat close to 34.6. Our answer is 33 percentage. 33 percentage is the right answer for this question. 33 percentage. Guys, in this way you need to solve the questions and for these kind of problems it will take some time to calculate male persons. Why? Because each and every time whenever male category persons are asking about any kind of sport, first you need to calculate total, after that you need to calculate female players and then you need to subtract female players from total so that you will get the male candidates. It will take some time to do the task. So, but it is not a difficult thing to understand, but it is very easy to understand, but it will take some time to calculate. Okay. I hope you understand all the problems. Thank you. Thanks for watching.